everyone, Nikhil this side I'm from Raj Lakshmi Solution. I'm an implementer over here. So and welcome back to my channel. In the today's video, we will see roles and permission in the particular project. How we can set the roles and permission in the particular project. So for that we need to open one project. So I will just click on the new project. Okay. For that we need to click on about project. You can find the roles and permission over here. So we can click roles and permission. You can find the multiple types of permission over here. User allow to invite to the project. You can see allow project owner only, project owner and moderator, allow project participant. You can see the task permission over here. Permission to view private task, permission to view all tasks. You can see the drive permission also there. For the edit drive permission, for the conversation permission also over here you can see view post and all, create post, manage post, user allow create a comment in particular project in a field section. You can see the knowledge base access permission also here, and the permission to view the knowledge base, permission to edit knowledge base. So you can find in the roles and about project you can find the roles and permission section. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.